street. Let's go. Get off the street. Everybody get off the street right now.
At approximately 8:30 this evening, officers from the 10th Precinct were on patrol, driving westbound on West 23rd Street when they witnessed a large explosion in front of 131 West 23rd Street.
Oh, it was like a big ball, like a volcano, put it that way, because it was in the center was red, and out of it was white. Some people's eardrums probably have bust because the sound was so loud.
There were 29 injuries here, one considered serious. 24 of these people have been transported to area hospitals with various degrees of scrapes, abrasions from glass, from metal.
I want to say more broadly, there is no specific and credible threat against New York City at this point in time from any terror organization. But we do want to be very clear. The initial indications is this was an intentional act.